Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's go. Here I share tours and travel related information with you, and today we will be visiting Jabalpur, one of the major cities of Madhya Pradesh. Here we will be covering these 4 areas and it can be covered within one day. If you book a car for full day, you can visit it. So first one is Balancing Rock, second one is Dhuandhar Waterfall, third one is Marble Rock, and fourth one is RANI Durgavati Fort. So one by one we will be covering these places. So here comes the Balancing Rock. It's a natural formation and it's been there for several decades, unchanged, unaltered like this. It's a worth visiting place. And next we will be visiting Dhuandhar Waterfall. Here one ropeway facility is there which will take you from eastern bank to western bank of Narmada river, and on the tour of cable car you will be having a wonderful bird's eye view which you will never forget. And this Dhuandhar Waterfall is named because of its smoggy nature. Dhua means smoke and dhar means flow, and with its droplet it creates smog around this waterfall, and that's why it is called Dhuandhar Waterfall. And Narmada river has created this beautiful waterfall in Jabalpur, and it is one of the most attractive places. One must visit there. You can spend almost 1 or 2 hours there, and you can have lunch or eating facilities there. And this is Rani Durgavati Fort, which is named after the Gond queen Rani Durgavati, and it is the evidence of Gond dynasty which ruled this Jabalpur and its surrounding area for several years. And this is situated on quite a height, and that's why it offers a good view of Jabalpur city for those who are having knee trouble or aged persons are not advised to take this trek because it takes 30 minutes of trekking to reach up to this fort. But it's a worth visiting place. And this one is Shiva temple. It's in Kancha city. That Shiva Murti is quite a big, and if you are in Jabalpur you can once visit this place because it's a tranquil and very good place. And this one is Marble Rock. I find it the most attractive one in Jabalpur city. The Narmada river has created this wonderful gorge on its way by carving these soft rocks, and these rocks changes its color with sunlight, and it offers a magnificent view, and one must do boating around this place. And those who are driving this boat, they will tell you the stories of this Marble Rock, what are the cinema shootings took place in these areas. They will be describing it in a funny way, and it is really a wonderful place. One must visit there. It is said that this place looks quite a marvel. It looks very fantastic in moonlit night. So if you wish to visit, you can visit it in Sharad Purnima because that day the boating is allowed at night, and the rock turns in silver color, and it offers a magnificent view you will never forget. I didn't have that opportunity, but I thought I should share this information for you. Thank you for watching. Stay good, stay happy.